Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an OG way that I used to do product research. Okay, so this is one of my Stripe accounts and I found 100% one 10K product, maybe a few 10K products and one six-figure product this way. Okay, and there's literally nothing else to the strategy. It's very simple to use. There is a little bit of an organization that you're going to need if you're going to follow this strategy, but all you're going to need to do is TikTok research. And the one thing is, this is not like scrolling on TikTok aimlessly and randomly to be able to find products. This is not what the strategy is. It's a little bit different, okay? It's a little bit different than that, but I'm really excited to go ahead and share it with you. So what I used to do is, because I really liked the tech niche in general. So do this if you like tech. I mean, you can adopt this to any other, any other sort of niche as well, but it really works well in tech, okay? What you're gonna wanna do is go to TikTok and put in Amazon finds, okay? There are a ton of creators here that all they do is they basically review products because they want affiliate commissions, okay? Now, if you're able to look at this through the eyes of somebody who wants to go ahead and, if you can look at this through the eyes of someone as a business owner, you're going to be completely shocked by what you can find, okay? Now, a lot of these creators, the mistake that they make is they think the money is in selling other people's products, okay? And that's why all they do is they get products, they review them, and then they send them to their affiliate links, and then they get a commission. And that's an easy strategy. But I've met and spoke to so many people that built up a business for years this way, promoting other people's products. And then one day TikTok decides, or Instagram decides, or YouTube decides, or whatever platform you're using decides, hey, you know what? We don't really like what you're posting or how you're posting it. So we're going to not let you post anymore. And in 1 second, their entire business disappears because all they're doing is pushing videos and links to their product. And then what they have to do then is rebuild their audience from scratch. And that can take a long, long time. Okay. What I recommend is, if you have the ability to produce videos like this, why don't you just do it for your products using the dropshipping system, where you basically go ahead and cut out the distributor, you become the distributor for the product, and you keep all the profits. And the best part is, you're going to start to develop a customer list. So if, let's say, TikTok sometimes decides, hey, I'm going to ban you forever, it doesn't matter because you have a customer list. You can start email marketing. You can use them as lookalike audiences, build paid ads, and you can basically go ahead and start again. And it wouldn't be like your entire business got taken away from you, okay? So that's really, really important. Now, what I would do is I would open up all of these creators that all they do is they review products, and I would have them, and this is basically the vetting process that I use to be able to see whether or not this is something that I can sell. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit refresh, and we're going to go through this together. Okay, so the first thing I would do is basically I would decide, like, how many views on average does this person get? Okay, so for example, if this is the creator, Gift Genius, okay, how many views on average is this person getting? Okay, so it's 400, 10K, 10K, 30K, 10K, 100, 1 million, 350, 400, 130, okay? Like, from just my initial analysis, I can say that on average, all right, 50K views would be a good indication of like what they can pull on average, even if the product isn't the best, right? 50K views. So what I can think is, if 50K views is their average, I think anything that did above 300K views is something that I need to pay attention to. Any product that's done over 300K views, okay? So now it's this one, okay? This product has done over 300K views, and it's a recent upload, okay? So what is this product? This product is a shower head cleaning tool, okay? Now for me, I can already see this being an insanely amazing dropshipping product, okay? But I don't want to just go ahead and make that assertion now. Okay, once we find a product that we think is cool, what we want to do is go ahead and check if other people have been able to get the same amount of views for this particular product. And the reason we want to do that is because when we're going to go ahead and launch ads, we need to know that other creators have videos out there, because then we won't have to recreate the videos, right? So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go to shower head cleaning tools. A lot of the times a lot of products fail this test. Okay, so this is and you want to also check, did they game the system? Like with a 3-second view, with a 7-second video, it's easy to get 400K views. Okay, so now I'm going to put in shower head cleaning tools, and I want to see how many other creators are getting the same type of views with this particular product. Okay, see, this is 2,000. This is 130K, but I want to see if this, and this is exactly what I'm going to do, right? Now, there are all these different ways of cleaning the shower head, but no mention of the tools, right? People aren't using tools, people are using other things. So now this isn't a product that I would definitely sell. Why? Because, well, as you guys can see, yes, there's a lot, this problem exists, but people aren't using these tools to solve it. So yes, this guy got it on the nail with this particular ad, but we won't be able to sell this product because we don't have enough videos to be able to create our ads. We would have to do it ourselves. And when we're initially testing, that's not something that we may want to do. Then we continue this process again. Now see this one, 1.1 million views. What is this particular product? This product is a VHS. What is this product? I don't even understand what this product is. Maybe it's cool. Oh, okay. It takes tapes and converts them into CDs. Okay, I think it's way too niche down, way too retro, but I would run the same analysis here. I would put in the product name, I would put it in here to the other tab and see, hey, can I find video ads for this particular product? And then we do this again and again. Now, the first test is the video ad. If we can't even find video ads for this particular product, there is no need for us to even consider. Right? So what is this? It's like an outdoor sink, it looks like. It's an outdoor sink, outdoor gardening sink, right? I think this is a cool product, right? But again, it's going to be a little bit troublesome for me to be able to find this particular product's videos. Like for example, like if I type in outdoor garden sink out, if I can, I'd be shocked if I could find it. No, what this guy is doing is this guy is finding like obscure products and making videos on them. So this is a little bit of a time consuming process. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing my research. Again, what I'm going to simply do is look at videos that have over 300K views and then take them on TikTok, maybe search through different creators in the same process and find something that I think is worth us exploring. And then from there, I'll take it to the next step of validation. Okay, so right after doing all of this research, I just came across a product like this. Okay, and this is a perfect example. So what this product is, literally, I was just doing this research. I was going through product after product, saying, hey, will I find it? And I did find one. Look at this. Okay, number one is this product has gotten 954,000 views. Okay, and that's credit to the creator for being able to get people interested in this particular product, the way he shot the video, all of that. That's credit to the creator. But what we're looking for is, dude, does this product work? So this is a steamer with suction. Okay, there's a steamer with suction. Okay, and look at all of this engagement here. Buy this for me for my birthday. Let's normalize wrinkles. There's a lot of people that are saying, what's it called? I like it, how much? Like there's a lot of buyer activity that's going on. Then I put in this steamer with suction and look at the amount of videos that are available of people that are going ahead and showing off the product and how it works. Now, this is going to be important for us. If we want to go ahead and test a particular product, we need videos to be able to actually go ahead and test. Okay. And what we see is there's a brand that's owning this particular category that has a ton of videos over here. Now, I'm not going to endorse this by any means, but I mean, you guys can see they're also getting 970,000 views. Okay. And look at this. It's steamer with suction, which allows, I mean, now if you're going to run ads for this product, you're going to have a really, really good time. This, for me, like, I'm going to be real with you. When I look at this product, dude, I want to buy it. Like I want it for myself. Like even when you start getting those type of feelings, you know that you're headed into a really, really good product and an easy product, okay? Now, the next thing is you're gonna wanna, once you have the product, the next step for validation is, hey, so first thing is it popular and in demand? We did that through this, okay? And what you're gonna wanna do, if you wanna do this research method like I did full time, is you're going to want to follow these creators. You're going to want to have your post notification turned on so that whenever a creator posts a video, you're looking at it from an e-commerce mindset. You're not looking at it from a consumer mindset. Now forever, after watching this video, I don't want you to look at TikTok normally. I want you to find business opportunities on TikTok. Okay. Anyways, now we found this product. It's done a crazy amount of views, and it has the main brand had 45 million views, and all they do every single day is they post this, okay, and sometimes they'll just blow up 837,000 views, and I'm sure this brand is making money on autopilot, doesn't need anything else, okay. Now for us, if we want to enter the same niche and enter the same brand, the next step in validation is, can I source this product? Okay, can I source this product? So the next thing you're going to want to do is go to AliExpress, and you're going to want to find a particular supplier for this particular product. And if this is an opportunity you really want to pursue, I wouldn't even, going to Alibaba and getting it, I wouldn't even mind you do that. I really wouldn't even mind you going to Alibaba and doing that, because, hey, if this is something you're interested in, why wouldn't you? Okay. And then finally, once the 3 checks are done, yes, this video is popular. Yes, I can create more ads for this, and yes, I can source it from a supplier. The last step is to create a really, really good offer around it, okay? Now, typically, if we're going to try and compete with the same person, okay, we're not gonna wanna go ahead and compete with the same. Like, for example, I don't know how they're selling it, so if I go to their link in bio, if they're using a funnel, I would be like, I'll cry right now because I'll white label it. But let's see. Okay, they're selling a $99 product. Okay. I mean, this business is just making money without trying. Like, literally, I'm gonna be honest with you. Just from what I can see, they're just building traffic on TikTok. They're sending all of this to the store, and they're just making money. Just easy. All they have to do is pay a creator to steam a shirt every day, because the product itself has an insane wow factor, right? Okay, anyways. Now, the next thing is, let's say we're going to go ahead and try to sell the same product. Well, we can't go ahead and sell the same product in the same way. We're going to lose to someone who's already been in there doing it for a while. Even if we don't lose to him, even if we match it, we want to beat them, right? We don't want to just compete. We want to dominate the niche, right? So this is what I think is the perfect example of an offer. If you're going to go ahead and compete with these guys, I would say compete this way. Okay, so I would create a full offer stack around this particular product. Okay, I would go ahead and use this, and I would create like an insane offer around this particular product. A great offer, and this is another 6-figure store, by the way. A great offer has the following things. You have your main product. You have something that you can use along with the product. You have something that you can use to protect the product. You have access to a community of like-minded individuals. You have an ebook showing you how to use the product better. You have an ebook showing you how to participate in the niche more, and you have an extended warranty to be able to go ahead and secure the product. If you have these 6 things at this value, and if you compete with these guys with this, you're gonna obliterate them, right? So now let's go ahead and show you how to create this type of offer. For this, I use an AI employee. This AI employee is absolutely free, so go ahead and use it. The link is in the description, but let me show you how to use the AI employee first, and then you can go ahead and start using it. The AI employee is called the ShopFunnels AI Offer Builder. This is the only AI employee that I've gone ahead and offered for free, because it was something that we did when we reached the 10,000 subscriber mark on YouTube, and I just wanted to go ahead and just give back to the community, right? So I'm not sure how long this will stay free for, so I would just say grab it. If you're seeing this video, go click the link down below, see if you can grab it. Okay, now this is a prompt that you have to copy paste. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead, open it up on another chat. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna open up ChatGPT. I'm gonna paste it in a new chat. I'm doing all of this somewhere else, right? So I'm going to just go ahead and paste the prompt here, right? And once I paste the prompt here, right? It's gone ahead and it'll become my offer creator, okay? Now the offer creator is simple. It's gonna go ahead and show you how to go ahead and create this for your particular business, right? So the first thing it's put it into thinking mode, okay? So first thing is, what's your product, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just put this in because this is the product that I'm going ahead and selling, okay? So the vacuum steamer, okay? I'm just gonna put this in. This is my particular product, okay? It's the vacuum sealer, and this is who it's for. You know, it's supplied by this. For now, typically you do want to put in the supplier. I just haven't gone ahead and done that research yet. I'm just gonna quickly go through and show you how to build that offer, okay? Then step one, once approved, I'll move to the first thing that we have to choose is the avatar, right? So I'm just gonna say approved, okay? Let's go to the avatar. Now, when we're going to the avatar, right, it's going to go ahead and come up with a few people that we want to target. Now, you want to basically go ahead and choose who you want to sell the product to, because when you're running paid ads, you want to basically target a particular person and you want to build this offer around a particular person, right? So someone in corporate, a traveler, a style conscious millennial, a busy parent, and an apartment minimalist. I'm going to go for a busy parent who doesn't have time for ironing, because this is going to save them a ton of time if they can just quickly vacuum, okay? These are the pain points for that person. And again, I'm just gonna select and say yes, okay? Pick one central pain that we'll build the offer on. So essentially what we wanna do is, when we're creating this, we don't wanna just create it for anybody. We wanna create it for one person, and we wanna solve a very specific problem for that person, right? So here are 8 pain points busy parents feel around clothing. So time drain, morning chaos, safety risks, bulky setups, wrinkles coming, last minute panic, stubborn fabrics, unhygienic clothes. For example, for me, dude, I got kids at the house. This is something that is always annoying for me, is this bulky setup thing. So we have like an ironing board, and we have an iron and stuff. Like this is so annoying to me, but I know what's more, you know, my wife is a target audience for this. I know what's annoying for her is the time drain. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and select this. Okay. Now you'll see how this AI employee comes up with an insane bundle. Okay. So the first bundle collection name is the 5-minute fresh wardrobe system, the busy parents wrinkle free kit, instant outfit solution, morning rush rescue bundle, ready in minutes wardrobe pack, stress-free steaming set, the always presentable family kit. Oh, isn't this like, I feel like if a mom heard this, like, my family's going to be always presentable, they would just give us all our money, right? Okay. So then the product naming option, right? So they're basically going ahead and first thing is we have to name the main product, right? So the Nisea Magic wrinkle free. So I'm just going to be like, hey, remove this Nisea Magic. I don't want to call it Nisea Magic. Can you give me another name for it? Can you give me other naming options? So the reason it's using Nisea Magic is because I didn't prompt it in the start, but that's fine. Other naming options for it, okay? So then we're gonna call it the Fresh Fit Steamer. I like this one. The Fresh Fit Steamer, okay, so perfect. So the product name is the Fresh Fit Steamer, okay? The star of the show. And these are the bullets. And this is the perceived value, okay? So they're saying, because when we basically go ahead and sell this, we have to call it the Fresh Fit Steamer, save 20 minutes every morning, safe for kids' clothes, compact, fast and easy, hassle-free. Now, this person has no soul. This dude has no soul. They're just selling it like a Chinese tech product. We're selling it as a product for parents who need this. Once you can visualize and change the way that you think about this type of stuff, guys, selling products is not going to be a problem for you. Like, look at this. Save 20 minutes. So this is the star of the show. Finalize it. We said yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now the first thing, it's going to recommend ideas for the first free gift. Now the first free gift is the gift that works with the main product, right? So over here it says the fabric fresh attachment clips onto the steamer, head to remove lint pet hair. So essentially what you're going to do is when you're searching for this product, also search for this. Sometimes, a lot of the times, the suppliers have this available. Like, so look at this, travel size water bottle with pour spout. Okay, so essentially that will be really helpful, because let's say you're steaming a lot of clothes, having like a little bit of a travel size water bottle is going to be good, because you don't have to go ahead and go back and fill up water again and again. Or a heat protective glove is so good. A mini spray bottle, a lint roller, a measuring cup. I'm going to go lint roller, because if specifically if you're doing like kids clothes, or if you go ahead now, see, I'm getting into this whole offer creation mode. I'll talk about steaming, linting all the way, but I like this lint roller, and I feel like this would be very easy to source as well. But all of these are great ideas, man. So I'm going to go lint roller. And so that's going to be our first free gift. Okay. Then the second free gift is the physical protector. Okay. Yes. So it's going to give us ideas for a physical protector, right? So essentially a heat resistant storage pouch, some type of carrying case. Again, you're going to have to go ahead, talk to your supplier, or search for products on AliExpress and find all of these and combine it together and then ship it out. And then even if it's from different suppliers, just I've gotten away with this for a really long time, where I just mention, hey, not your free gifts may not all arrive together. There's only 3 things that you ship together: the product, the free gift, and the pouch. If these 3 things arrive different times, it's okay. Just say, hey, we ship it from different warehouses or whatever. Again, this is just when you're in the drop shipping phase. When you go to actually white label this entire product, then you can actually source everything. But the key is your free gifts cannot cost like more than $1 or $2, because the perceived value is super high, but the cost should actually be low. Okay, so I'm going to go heat resistant pouch for the second. So now we've given them, with our main product, we've given them a lint roller and we've given them a heat resistant pouch. The next thing is the digital maximizer, which is how to use this product effectively. Okay, so I'm going to, draft these ideas. It's going to come up with ideas for digital maximizers. Okay, fabric care made simple. The busy parents' laundry shortcuts. Look sharp, live smart. Travel ready clothes. So look at this. Look at this. I mean, I feel like this is going to be an insane hack. Again, I'm thinking about my wife a lot when I'm making this offer. Like, if my wife, God bless her, like, she's been drop shipped a few times. So whenever I'm thinking of, and she'll tell me, like, she'll show me something like, hey dude, I bought this. And I'm like, come on, you bought this? Someone just drop shipped you. But fair game, because I want everybody in e-com to make money. And if my wife wants to give him some, that's all good. So for me, when I'm thinking about this, if I hit her with this offer, like, she's gonna buy. She will feel like, oh dude, this was meant for me, Okay, so the first one is the busy parents laundry shortcut. The second, the next digital maximizer, again, is now this is more about the niche, the 10-minute morning reset, how to prep 3 to 5 outfits fast with the steamer, the laundry load reduction hacks, how to stretch washes while keeping clothes fresh. Oh man, this one, beautiful. Okay, now, again, one more thing is, so we've already gone ahead and picked a guide, right, about how to keep laundry fresh. Then another thing is a digital problem solver, right? So these are the two ebooks we're giving, right? One is more of a big ebook, and one is more of a checklist. Okay, so the no iron closet system, wardrobe planning and fabric hacks to reduce iron and steaming by 80%. I like that one. And then finally, the community access. Okay, so what is going to be our community? Yes, please draft that for me. Okay, awesome. This is our community, the Always Presentable Parenting Club. Imagine having a group with a bunch of moms, all just wanting to like talk about their kids and the fact that they're always dressed inappropriately or they just look dirty all the time. This is a common problem with moms. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then finally, this is the step 9 that's finalized, and the last step is the risk reversal, which is going to be this one, the risk reversal, right? And so 90-day wrinkle-free guarantee. If you don't save 20 minutes per week on laundry, return it. I'm gonna go to this one. Okay, 90-day wrinkle-free guarantee. And then finally, that's it. That's our offer is done. Okay. So now, Yes, value stack breakdown. So now it's basically going to show us our entire value. Okay. Now, essentially, our perceived value is this much. Okay. Our core product is the steamer. We're going to give a lint roller, a pouch. We're going to give a busy parent's guide to laundry, the no iron closet system, the always presentable club, the 90. Imagine you're given all of this while your competitor is doing this. No soul, no avatar, nothing. And this is you. How could you not beat them? And this is why I've been able to enter any niche and just obliterate, because I go in with a sense of purpose. I'm not just going in as an e-com person. Okay, so this is it. This is my gift to everybody. It's still free. Please go ahead and grab it. No payment required for this one. Okay, a link in the bio. If you guys have fun watching how we build offers here, go ahead and comment down below, like, subscribe to the channel as well. Also, what I would love for you guys to do is check out White Label Dropshipping. This is my premier program. If you like this one AI employee that I'm giving away for free, imagine the other stuff that's in here. Okay, this is where I keep everything, my AI employees, my coaching, my community, and what's most important is we have ready to launch stores. Okay, so if you go to White Label stores, all of these stores are ready to launch. All that you need to do is swap your logo out. We've already thought of all of this, and we have ready to launch stores for you that you can go ahead and put your name on and launch. Suppliers figured out, products figured out, copy figured out, tech done. Literally just put in your logo and launch. It's called White Label Dropshipping. It's my premier program. It's also linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you guys next one. Peace.